Hello everybody, today I'm going to make honey chicken wings. The ingredients are very simple. Put the chicken wings in a bowl. Add red pepper powder, soy sauce, salt, and chopped onion and ginger. Mix well and let it sit for about 2 hours. Add 1 tablespoon honey and a half tablespoon water in a small bowl. Mix well. Now put the chicken wings on a baking rack. Then brush honey and bake for about 15 minutes at 380 degrees. Then take them out from the oven and turn them over. Brush the honey and bake for about 20 minutes at 380 degrees. Now they are done. This recipe is easy to make and the taste is rich, sweet, and delicious. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you next time.